Good morning, good morning. All right, what's up, guys? We are back in action. We survived the winter storm here in the southeast Alabama for whatever reason. We made it through. The roads were a little crummy this morning, but most of us made it to work, so we're very thankful for that because we can just keep on keeping on. But action-packed week for you. It's gonna be a little cold in here, but we're, jacking it up and ready for it. We've got a pickup happening. We've got a drop-off happening. We've got airplanes getting painted, airplanes getting unpainted, airplanes getting primed, rivets getting scrubbed. You guys know the deal. Welcome back.
It's a best of episode. Anything that could happen's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. And keep in mind, guys, this is like 10 to 14 minutes out of hundreds of hours of work we're putting in each week. So yeah, you may see us acting goofy for like 10 minutes, but trust me, there's a lot of stuff going on. And we can only do so much in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, come at me.
There we go. Return of the King.
Look at them pants. They don't make those. They don't make those anymore.
I'm going up strutting tonight.
Didn't Kendrick wear those at the Super Bowl?
I think so. That's a Kendrick Super Bowl pants. All right, so goal today, wing primed.
For sure.
For show. Anytime you're not priming this, we need to just be taking this up, and then we also got to start hanging parts and stuff. That's why your videos are all blurry.
Yeah.
It's covered in overspray.
Yeah, I wonder who did that. So does this get painted or
This?
yeah?
No. Right now.
Billy said I ain't dealing with all that.
Done it before. Not on one of these. No, I'm just getting ready to mess up. Get it all clean, get all the grease, all contaminants out of it.
There we go.
Get a good seal on my tape.
Feels fantastic.
What the hell? Where'd you come from?
I've just been under here doing the out. I don't know how I'm gonna get out. Stick of butter.
You look primed and ready.
Skeletor.
We're cleaning today.
Hey, this being said, first time I think I've ever seen you not be sanding or putting tape on something.
I know, right?
Wow. So this is someone else's plane. What'd you guys do with mine? You guys did an awesome job.
Those monsters paid off.
I see him crying. Look at him, he's crying.
I can't cry. I'm breathless. I'm speechless.
It's too cold to cry.
This is incredible, guys. This is really incredible.
I actually have a student in here that was part of our plane build that had helped with the school plane. So he's like super excited to see it. He's gone up and flown with others. So it's, yeah.
Give a motivational speech.
Motivational speech. Work hard, study hard. Get yourself involved in something that you truly are passionate about and live your dream.
And this will be you.
People you surround yourself is who you will become.
A question from back here.
Oh boy.
They asked, how long does it take to paint?
So we had it here for several months, 4.5, 5.
Drop off was July 7th.
So
6 months.
6 months on this one. We had it for a while, but we do a lot of detail work on the incoming side. So any builder, dents and dings and
Mistakes.
or sins, as Chris called them. But as far as it took us about 1,200 labor hours. So about 1,200 man hours in it to get to this point.
They do a lot of cool upgrades as well. I had a 3-piece wheel pant when it came in. I now have a 2-piece, so it's easier to take apart, and it looks 10 times better than what I was able to do as a amateur builder. They took the lower cowling for the engine and split it so that I don't have to take it off and chip the paint every time I'm going to be doing maintenance. That all takes time. So there's a reason it was here as long as it was, but they did amazing work, and you can't rush through getting a great product.
And that was the question of the week.
Huzzah!
Huzzah! Yeah.
Oh, just taking some pictures.
It's like filming a Bigfoot sighting. This stuff is like Monster Energy drink, but for planes.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, cool.
You want Monster for the road?
It's already in there.
So Chris, it was a really good time getting his airplane out of here, letting him see it for the first time. And, we appreciate the monsters along the way. And now the airplane, we dumped a couple cans in the fuel tanks. So for you guys in the comments, go ahead and just have fun with that. Flew great. We got some great photos and some great pictures, and they've already been enjoying that airplane back home. So we are thankful for that. Smooth day. We love getting airplanes out of here. So Scotty, maybe throw in a photo or something in there. I don't know. Can you do that? Like that?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. We're going to get back to it. Back to work.
No, I'm not gonna make you have wizard powers. You're gonna look stupid. Please? You're gonna look like a big old dork. We're just taping off that pinstripe?
Yeah, so what I'm doing is working on the back edge of this blend. So the stripes on the PC9, they all come back and basically blend back into the blue. So what I'm doing now is creating that effect by changing the colors, and I'm just adjusting the blend a little bit. So I had to add some blue to the back, and now what I'm doing is taking the silver and I'm gonna fade that into the blue so it just really fades out to do nothing, creating the perfect fade. And this is the cutscene where I want to put an explosion, like blow it up. Or me.
Yeah, we'll just
What I want you to do is take this shot right here, and I want my head to explode. All right, 1, 2, 3.
You know I'm gonna do it. You keep giving me work. I was literally leaving for the day.
Whoa! I actually knew this one was coming. This is Monster Water.
Oh my god! You requested water!
So this is from Bill Bacon. He said, did you guys know that Monster makes water?
We do now.
He said it wasn't going to come until Monday, so we got an early surprise for the weekend. Now we'll be super hydrated.
Is it just water?
Yeah, it's water.
That's crazy.
Crack open a can of water. Deep well water. Doesn't taste like anything. It's water
Cheers.
in a can.
We needed
love
this.
it. This is what
We needed this. Thanks, Bill.
Big ups, Bill.
Thank you.
Special thanks from my kidneys and the rest of the crew. All right, Friday.
It actually is Friday this time. Yeah.
All right, everybody back home. It is Friday here. We are getting ready for another cold streak over the weekend, but our hearts are warm and our hangar is almost warm. This just in. It is Friday here at Evoke. We are pushing hard.
that's just in.
Thank you for making it this far in the vlog. We are pushing hard into the weekend. We've got some cold weather coming. We're tired of it. Spring is coming soon enough, I hope. Anyways, thank you for watching. We're gonna just feed right into some B-roll, some beautiful B-roll.
Roll that good, beautiful bean footage.
Close us out, Scotty. Close us out. We got work to do. All right, peace. Behind the schemes.
Now, what is the purpose of the basketball in the?
It's just a convenient way to keep dust and junk from going in the exhaust.
Okay. Look at you having good answers for my stupid questions. I was just like, oh good, this airplane knows ball.
All right, it is Friday afternoon. Scotty just grabbed me and told me that I had to make an outro for the YouTube video, episode number 11. We are closing it out. It is Friday. We are excited about the progress we made this week. Chris's plane was beautiful. He was super excited to take that thing home. We're getting the next ones ready for hopefully the same experience for the next Evoke customer. And once again, thank you guys for joining us. If you made it this far, we appreciate you so much. Make suggestions for things you might want to see, things you might want to learn. We'd be happy to show you a little bit about what's going on behind the schemes here at Evoke. We'll see you next time.
So did you guys ever get that Monster sponsorship or?
Yeah, I think you were our monster sponsorship.